What's up? I'm not sure if you were tuned in or not, but this is part 3 on the build, on the SG guitar build, and you should go check out part 1 and 2. Those were pretty cool. Part 2 was when I painted the black on, and then let's do this over a little bit so you can see, and then part 1 was just a basic overview of the guitar and what I'm going to be doing with it. So right now I'm going to be painting on the gray, and I'm going to be using these paint brushes right here. I have a fine tip one. Yeah, I have a fine tip over here, and then this is kind of a medium, and then this one's a little bit bigger. Then I have a big one right here in the back, but I'm not going to be using that one. I am most likely just going to be using this one, the medium-sized one. And to make the lines, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be setting this on here, and then painting up against that, and then going over here on the other side and doing the same thing, so it makes a straight line. So, yeah, let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so let's get started with it. So basically what I did is, you can't really see it, but I just took my spray paint, sprayed it in the cap, and then I'll just use that to dip my paintbrushes in. So I'm gonna do my straight edge thing, and then I'll be right back. Okay, let's get going with this build, or this painting. So here we're going to use this one, and like you can use different size paintbrushes, but I just prefer these, the medium ones. Well, that kind of failed, which is not good. Let me go wipe it up real quick. Yeah, so that didn't work the greatest. I'll probably just have to tape it once it dries. Oh, my. Yeah, that did not work planned at all. I'll give you guys a closer look. See? Oh boy. I'm kind of stuck now. That's not good. I'll just have to let it dry, I guess, and use tape, I guess. I'm not really sure what to do. Here, I'll just step forward to it. Maybe. Okay guys, so I'm back, and I got some gray acrylic paint and some white for the next thing. So it's dry, and that stuff was water-based, so it kind of just went everywhere, and I think I'll just try to touch it up and make the lines with this gray acrylic paint. So let's try to do this again. Hopefully it'll work. I'm really hoping it will, because this is going to be a pain if it doesn't. Okay, and there's nothing. Okay, it's going on pretty well. Looks like it should work for the most part. It's kind of just evenly spreading out. Which is good. So it looks like this stuff will work. So, a little note to self. Don't spray paint into a cap and try to use it. This was also my first time, so trying to do anything like this really. I mean, I've painted before, but just not like lines and stuff like this. So keep that in mind, that it's not gonna work if you have paint and it's like this. I'm trying to make this as thin as possible, because I know acrylic paint can sometimes get too thick if you don't put the right amount on it. Well, it looks like acrylic paint is gonna be the route to go here. Yeah. So I'll just paint this real quick and then keep going. Gonna try and use this again. Kind of helped. I think it'll work better with the acrylic paint, but let's try it. Well, it looked like that worked a lot better than the other paint. Just Gotta touch it up a little bit more here. Okay, there's one line down. And I'm just kind of going off of what I think, like where the line should be and stuff. So, there's the first one with the acrylic with just the brush. So yeah, just know not to use the other paint while doing this, because it does not work that well. Okay, I feel like I should just kind of go where I think I should go. I'm just gonna kind of set it on my lap right here and just get some paint across here. And right now, what I'm doing right here, I'm just getting like a rough outline of where I want the line to be. See, right here, and then I can go back in and touch it up and stuff. So, want the line to end right there, kind of have it at an angle. Okay, that line looks pretty good. There's the second line. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of keep doing this until it gets all around pretty good. Yeah, skip. Okay guys, so I have most of the gray put on, but I need to touch up where I messed up, right there in the middle. So, let's do that right now. I'm gonna put red, try to get a good red, get it the same. That brush. Where'd it go? Alright. Why not? Let's just use this brush. This acrylic is working really well. Then, like, you can hardly tell where I even messed up right here. That looks really good. And then, I'm going to try and use this brush for the, well, maybe not. Ooh, that was close. Just gotta get all the paint out of this brush for right now. Make it at least good enough that I'll be able to use it. And then use this black to retouch up that line that I messed up on, that the gray got into. Oh my, that's actually like amazing. Look, can't even tell there was any mistake. Sweet. Yes, that is wonderful. My fear is that when I go to put the clear coat on it, that it will spread around. But I really hope that's not. If I layer it, really hope that'll work. But yeah, so there's today's video for you. Yeah, see ya.